Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today we'll explain how to turn the text layer into 3D. Let's begin! Let's start. Now we will set the text layer to 3D and create the animation. First, prepare a text layer in the timeline panel. Turn on the 3D layer button to change the text layer into a 3D layer. Click Animate in the text property and select Enable Per Character 3D from the menu to convert the text layer into character by character 3D. Next, select Rotation from the text property Animate. The Rotation property has been added to the Range Selector 1 in the Animator 1 property. Let's use the Range Selector to create animation for one character at a time. Drag the playhead to the position where you want to start the animation. Click the Stopwatch button of the End property in Range Selector 1 to set the keyframe. Set the value of the End property at the animation starting position at 0%. Drag the playhead to the position where you want the animation to end. When you set the value of the End property to 100%, the keyframe is automatically created. If you set the value of the Z-Rotation property in the Range Selector 1 as 1, each text will rotate once around the Z-axis. In order to check the movement in 3D, change the view of the composition panel to Custom View 1 and then press the play button. Then we can see the movement like this. This is the end of the lecture on how to change the text layer into 3D. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.